Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 soundbar, which promises to elevate your home entertainment experience like never before. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, this device is set to revolutionize the way you enjoy your favorite movies, shows, and music. So, let's dive right in and see what makes this soundbar so special. First off, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 is all about delivering an immersive entertainment experience with vibrant bass, crystal clear dialogue, and a panoramic soundstage that will make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Imagine watching your favorite movie with sound that's so vivid and engaging. It feels like you're part of the story. The soundbar's ability to produce such high-quality audio is thanks to its advanced drivers and amplifiers, which work together to create a truly cinematic experience. Whether you're a movie buff, a music lover, or a gamer, this soundbar is sure to take your entertainment to the next level. But what really sets the Sonos Beam Gen 2 apart is its support for Dolby Atmos, which provides a 3D surround sound effect that will leave you breathless. With Dolby Atmos, you'll feel like you're surrounded by sound, with audio coming from all directions, including above and below. This technology is a game changer for home entertainment, and the Sonos Beam Gen 2 is one of the best ways to experience it. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or playing a game, Dolby Atmos will transport you to a new dimension of sound, making the experience even more thrilling and immersive. Another feature that I'm really excited about is the ability to stream music, radio, podcasts, and audiobooks from all your favorite services, even when the TV is off. This means you can use the Sonos Beam Gen 2 as a standalone speaker, filling your room with your favorite tunes or podcasts without having to turn on the TV. And with support for multiple streaming services, you'll have access to a vast library of content at your fingertips. Plus, with the Sonos app, you can control the soundbar with ease, adjusting the volume, switching between sources, and more, all from the comfort of your couch. The Sonos Beam Gen 2 is also incredibly easy to set up, with only 2 cables required and smart Trueplay tuning that adjusts the sound to your room's unique acoustics. This means you can get up and running in no time, without having to worry about complex setup procedures or calibration. And with support for multiple control methods, including the Sonos app, your TV remote, Apple AirPlay 2, and your voice, you'll have plenty of options for controlling the soundbar. Whether you're a tech novice or an expert, you'll find the Sonos Beam Gen 2 to be intuitive and easy to use. In conclusion, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 is a truly exceptional soundbar that will transform your home entertainment experience. With its stunning sound quality, immersive Dolby Atmos support, and effortless streaming capabilities, this device is a must-have for anyone looking to take their entertainment to the next level. So, if you're ready to experience the future of sound, be sure to check out the Sonos Beam Gen 2. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today, and get ready to be blown away by the incredible sound quality and features that this soundbar has to offer. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your entertainment experience. Upgrade to the Sonos Beam Gen 2 soundbar and discover a whole new world of sound.